Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your VyStar app is not working. So let's get started. So here I can see the VyStar app. If it's not work for you, you have to follow these steps. So just press and hold it here, then click on this I button. So at here you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Then you have to click on the clear data option. Just click on delete, and then you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to check for the update. Just open your Google Play Store at here, okay, or you can open your Google search bar. If you are iOS user, you can open your Apple Store. So at here you have to open your Google Play Store, and at here I will directly search for the VY Star, okay, VY Star. So at here I can see VY Star Mobile. So from here I will just click on the update button, and we have to update and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.